This week we had two trades, and the first trade I was looking for a buy. All the two trades I was looking for the buys, as you can see on the H4. We had our swing low here, which I was expecting it to be protected, and if it was protected, then it obviously means that we are still bullish, but it got broken. So on the first trade, I remember we took a trade from here, from this level of broken support on the H1. So let's start when market was still bullish, like as you can see from here. As you can see from here, market was still bullish. That's why I was looking for buys almost the whole of this week. Started from Monday to Thursday, we were still bullish on GBP USD. So I was looking for a buy on GU this week. So what happens here? My first trade was somewhere here. After price tapping this level here, and then it started making some sort of this structure. So I expected price to pull back, retest this level. So my first trade was from this level right here, because we were still bullish. So I was expecting price to, after reacting from this level here, as you can see the market here, after reacting from this level, alright, you can also see some sort of consolidation here. So I was expecting, or I thought maybe bullish trend is going to continue from here. So I had my first trade from here. My first trade was here. It was 13 pips stop loss and target of 1-4. So price started going to my direction and then reversed and stopped me here. That was the first trade. You're going to see the screenshot somewhere here. Yeah, so you're going to see the screenshot here. And then the second trade, after losing this trade here, so I thought, okay, maybe price is going to reverse from this here, because this is also a very strong level on the H4, and it is my final zone. So I was waiting for price now to pull back here. Then the next day on Tuesday, I can take. But price pulled back to that level on Monday night at around 8 p.m. So I don't trade past 6 p.m. after London close. So the next morning, after price tapping this level here, which is also quite strong because it is having multiple touches, I expected price to push since it started giving this structure. So I thought maybe now price is going to reverse from somewhere here. So I ended up taking a trade from here, right? So I took a buy from here again. Yep. I remember taking a buy from this level here. This candle at around 10 London open. 10 a.m. London open exactly. So this was the setup, and this one stopped us immediately. I entered, started going a little bit in profit, even pushed up to here, and then later on reversed fully. So now, these were the two trades. I think this second trade here, you're also going to see the screenshot. I think the screen recording when I was taking the trade right here. So this was the two trade that I took. And now next week, as you can see right now that there's a chance that market may sell next week. It depends on what we are going to see. But as of now, there's a signal of a very strength to the downside, because this was the low I was expecting market to protect. It is also kind of a demand zone. Some people may take their demand level from here. Some others may use this one. So people have different conferences and different style of trading. So as for me, I can see like there's a change of character here. There's a change of character here. So there's high chance maybe on Monday, definitely next week, we may see GBP/USD selling. And I thought maybe I'm going to get this pullback because I was waiting for this pullback right here. I was waiting for this pullback. As you saw it from the intro, I was waiting for pullback here, then I take the sell. But today, market was just consolidating and I did not take any setup. So this was the two trades that I took this week, and we are down on the account 2%. So those are the two trades that I took this week, and I'm expecting GBP/USD maybe to sell next week, and we see whether we can have something. So the goal is execution, not bothering about whether we are down 2%, up 1%, up whatever, down whatever. No, just get the trade, execute, and let the market do its thing. If we lose the challenge, I'm going to buy another one and continue from there. The challenge is going to continue until I hit that 5K to 100K challenge. So this is the P&L for the week, and let's catch up next week and we see what happens.